Dear students, next chapter is chapter 3, data handling. Now in the topic is data handling. Now what is data? Data को handle करना है. First of all, you have to know what is data. Data is the information about anything what you collect. That is the data. Okay. Say as for example, in your class, how many boys and how many girls are there, whenever you collect that one, that is your data. Clear? Now, how can you handle this type of data? You can handle this type of, we can represent these data in tabular form, एक टेबल बना के, और in graphical form, और इसका ग्राफ निकाल के, ठीक है? So, whenever you collect some data, that data is called the raw data. पहले तुम लोग जो डाटा कलेक्ट करोगे उसको बोलते हैं raw data. Okay? After that raw data, you can represent that data in tabular form also. Okay, see in your book, this is, first of all, it's some collection of data. Okay, then organization of data. उसी डाटा को कैसे organize कर सकते हो? You can organize, first of all, you have to learn how can you organize that data in a tabular form. एक टेबल बना के कैसे उसको represent कर सकते हो, that one you have to know. Clear? See this one, here it is given some table. Say the marks, it is the data for marks. Okay, say these are the roll numbers. First of all, you collect the data, then you arrange this data, okay, in tabular form. ये tabular form में इसको arrange किया. Say this is roll number, the names and the marks out of 50. 50 में कितना मिला? So इसको एक tabular form में arrange किया कि नहीं? So the datas you can arrange this in tabular form. Clear? Now using this data, you can find the average. Okay, the average value of the data. Now what is average? Average is that is the mean or the, इसको बोलते हैं लगभग value. जैसे कि I'm giving one example. In your class, you are in class 7 na, say your age is 12 years. किसी को 12 years का एक साल कम भी हो सकता है, एक साल ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है, ठीक है? But most of the students who are in 12 years. Is it clear? So that is your average age. Okay, that is called the average. And in mathematics, there are some formulas are there. How can you find the average value of some data? See, what is the average or the mean? Mean value or average value? Average or mean value. Okay? Now, how can you find the average or mean value from a data? So, to find the mean or average, what is the formula? That is total divided by total value, okay, of data, divided by total number of data. Say, how can you find this total value of data? What is the meaning of this? And total number of data, what is the meaning of this? Say, in your class, one student they get the marks, say out of 20. Out of 20. He or she get, say, पकड़ो इंग्लिश में मिला 15, ठीक है? MIL में मिला 18, क्लियर? मैथ्स में मिला 17, साइंस में मिला 19, क्लियर। देन सोशल में मिला पकड़ो 18, ठीक है। अभी इसका एवरेज वैल्यू निकालना है। नाउ हाउ कैन यू फाइंड द एवरेज वैल्यू फ्रॉम दिस डाटा? ओके, this is your simple data, you collected this one, so you have to find the average. Now average मैंने क्या बोला था? total value of data. Total value, how can you find it? You have to add all the numbers, 15 plus 18 plus 17 plus 19 plus 18. Now total number of data, how many datas are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many datas are there? 5 datas, okay. So you have to divide it by 5. So after adding all the numbers and divide by 5, that is your average value, okay. So like that you can find the average, okay. That is also called the arithmetic mean. This is also called the arithmetic mean, okay. So like that you can find the mean. See one example here, it is given. Ashish studies for 4 hours, 5 hours and 3 hours respectively on 3 consecutive days. एक दिन 4 घंटा, फिर 5 घंटा, फिर 3 घंटा वो पढ़ते हैं, ठीक है। How many hours does he study daily on an average? अभी एक दिन में तो सेम आवर्स तो नहीं पढ़ता है, ठीक है ना। एक दिन 4 घंटा, एक दिन 5 घंटा, एक दिन 3 घंटा, ओके, 3 hours. Then what is his average timing for daily on an average? So how can you find it? You have to add 4 plus 5 plus 3 and divide it by what? 1, 2, 3. 3 datas are there, so you have to divide it by 3. So your average is what? 4 plus 5 plus 3 divided by 3. That means 4 hours per day. That means average उसने कितना घंटा पढ़ा? 4 hours per day. Is it clear? So like that you can find the average value. Another example you see. A batsman scored the following number of runs in 6 innings. These are the total number of runs. How many innings are there? Total number of innings is 6 innings. 6 innings खेलने के बाद उसका रन हुआ इतना, ठीक है। So how can you find the average? You have to find the average by finding the total number of terms, that means all the total number of runs, that means all the runs you have to add. Then you have to divide by how many innings are there? 6 innings, you have to divide by 6. So this, after adding all the numbers you find 282, and how many innings? 6 innings, so you have to divide it by 6. So your average run is 47 run, okay. Now see I'm giving one example, you see. Question number 2. Organize the following marks in a class assessment in a tabular form. ये ऑर्गेनाइज किया हुआ है मार्क्स का, ठीक है। फ्रॉम दिस मार्क्स व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट? नंबर 1, which number is the highest? So which number is the highest from here? Highest number is 9. So highest number is 9, okay. Clear? From this data you have to see what is given in the data, and from this data you can find out the answers. Which number is the highest? 9 is the highest number, okay. Which number is the lowest? It is 1. सबसे कम 1, okay. What is the range of the data? Now what is range? Range equal to highest number minus lowest number. So this is the formula for finding the range. Clear? So यहाँ पर in this question what is the highest number? In this question highest number is 9 and the lowest number is 1. So it is 9 and lowest number is 1. So what is your range? Range is 8. Okay. Next is find the arithmetic mean. So how can you find the arithmetic mean here? So arithmetic mean. What you have to do? You have to add all the numbers. Clear? This plus this plus this plus this, and you have to divide by what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So by adding all the numbers, you have to divide it by 20. So that is your average. Okay, so like that you can find the average value. Okay. Number 3, you see, find the mean of the first 5 whole numbers. First 5 whole numbers are which number? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Whole numbers start from 0. Okay, so your numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? So adding all the numbers, by what you have to divide? How many numbers are there? 5 numbers. So you have to divide by 5. 5 से divide करना है. ठीक है? So to find the mean, it is very easy. How can you find it? Okay. Total, simply you remember total number divided by total number of data. कितना डाटा है उससे डिवाइड करना है. Number 4, a cricketer scores the following runs in 8 innings. These are the 8 innings. इसमें बोल ही दिया कितना innings है? 8 innings. तो सबको प्लस करना है, उसके बाद 8 से डिवाइड करना है. तो आपका क्या मिल जाएगा? मीन. मीन स्कोर you can find out. Okay. Now see. This is a table it is given. Following table shows the points of each player scored in 4 games. These are the 4 games. Game 1, Game 2, Game 3, Game 4. These are the players are A, B, C. Okay. So, using this table, you have to give the answers. क्या दिया? Answer the following question. Find the mean to determine A's average number of points scored per game. Average score कितना है? Per game. Per game मतलब एक ही गेम है. ठीक है? इसका गेम 1 में 14, गेम 2 में 16, गेम 3 में 10, गेम 4 में 10. To find the mean number of points per game for C. अभी इसका मेन निकालना है. To find the mean number of points per game for C. Would you divide the total point by 3 or by 4? And why? C कितना गेम में खेला? 1, 2, यहाँ पर नहीं खेला. गेम 3 नहीं खेला. And गेम 4 भी खेला. ठीक है? So how many game C plays? 1, 2, 3. So you have to divide it by 3, not 4. क्योंकि वो ये गेम नहीं खेला था. ठीक है? 3 ही गेम खेला था. तो उसका किससे डिवाइड करोगे? बाय 3. बाकी ए और बी को मीन निकालने के लिए किससे डिवाइड करोगे? यू हैव टू डिवाइड इट बाय 4. ओके? क्योंकि ए एंड बी प्लेज ऑल द गेम्स, ऑल द 4 गेम्स. इज इट क्लियर? बी प्लेड इन ऑल द 4 गेम्स. हाउ वुड यू फाइंड द मीन? कैसे मीन निकालोगे? Sum of all the scores divided by 4. Is it clear? Sum of all the scores divided by 4. हु इज द बेस्ट परफॉर्मर। अभी हु इज द बेस्ट परफॉर्मर इसको निकालने के लिए व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, you have to find the average score of A, average score of B and average score of C. Clear? तीनों का average score निकालना पड़ेगा. Then you have to check who is the best performer. Is it clear? Okay.